Excuse me. I noticed a comment in my video, and it was inappropriate. So maybe people are thinking this, that that all disabled are, disgusting and weird. You know what I say to those people that call disabled people gay and stuff like that? Throw yourself in traffic. You didn't see the comment, but I deleted it. I removed the bastard who said I some guy that say so, a troll, a defector said that. 5 likes instantly. That's great. That's because now I'm being loved. If you binge watch all my videos, if you binge watch every one of my videos, you'll get to understand why I started, using a character name. I don't want to have to ban people again. I don't like banning people because I'm just losing subscribers. But who do I care? I'm hated, right? Nobody wants to communicate with a guy in a wheelchair. What? Why? Well, ever since March, everything is now a joke to me because I'm the laughing stock. Because of that bitch didn't listen to me. Now I'm the most hated person in the world. Now two bitches are making accusations and bringing my negativity past. There's a song out there. I don't know if you heard of you. I don't know if you ever heard of Haley's song by Eminem. I kind of change up the lyrics a little bit because it's actually true. People only get to see my dark side. People only get to see, my dark side, which is not true because I am a nice guy. I'm always a nice guy. I could use a PR thing, but in all honesty, slow and steady wins the race. Let me dip my let me dip my feet in a minefield before I uh, you know do something stupid. Latest Tukey soup. I saw that one latest to Tukey soup thing. The one guy, I'm sorry to him, but the one guy that's been doing these edits, he giggled, and I don't like that. And no, I haven't seen anything new from that guy yet. I get the feeling that Mr. Well, the host is nice, but the but the editor, uh, yeah, he giggled because when I was talking, you could hear a slight giggle, like you can hear the slightest giggle. I knew I knew I should have made that fucking interview. Ah, great. Now we're bringing in idiots. I think they like you, Captain. Laughing ain't a crime. Sometimes you're being funny. Oh, that's good. As long as I'm being funny, then the whole world is better, is a better place. As long as I'm funny, the world's happy. And do whenever whenever they talk about me or whatever, and you hear a giggle, for the love of God, like for my sake, for the love of everything that is holy, keep an eye on that and tell them to just knock it off. because my brain doesn't know if they're laughing with me or at me. And speaking about my, subscribers, good, fucking, finally, I woke up this morning and I lost 6 subscribers. Right? I'll squash all the gigglers. Good. I think they are just laughing with you, Cap. Laughing with me in all caps, with me, not at me. I do not know, but as far as I know, for the Inuits, they're wiped out. They are wiped out completely. There's a word for it that now the natives live in, but my brain can't think of it. Reserves. Ah, thank you, brain. Reserves. I don't know if the reserves are still there because because let me tell you something. When a certain female that starts with the letter K, wins, how much you want to bet those reserves will be gone? It'd be really nice if I had like 30 people in here. Reservations. Yeah, Cap. They still. Yeah, yeah. Good, 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 good. Yeah, they're still there. Yeah, that's good. But a certain lady that might be president of the United States will get rid of it one day, and that's it. Reservations. Take a wild gander. God, whoever clipped my stuff without permission really needs to get his ass kicked. And Trump, well, I don't know what the hell that old man is gonna do. He made fun of my people, the disabled. For God's sakes, you want to know what the toxic clips are from a certain individual? If I could get to the fucking thing. I'm sorry I'm bringing out the wolf, but you really want to hear what the fuck this individual's bringing? I even clipped some of the assholes uh, uh, videos. Show us Cap. We must claim their bones. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Let's see. I'm not sure what you're upset about. I'll show you in a second. Let me switch it. Hold on. Where is it? There it is. And here it is. Look at all of this. Forget this one. Look at all of this. Right down to this is okay. This is okay. Right here. This is okay. Right up to here, it's all right. But from here all the way up to here is unacceptable behavior. But you see what is going on, right? It must be a woke mob, obviously. Must be. God, clipping me without when I Alex, calm down. Just relax. You're gonna have your Pepsi. You're gonna have your birthday bash. You're gonna have fun, and everybody is gonna have a great time. Everybody's gonna know who the heck you are and support you. Come on. What did they clip? They clipped my streams. Can you show the clip, please? Well, I could show it, but I'm new to this YouTube Studios thing. So Doom. So just I'm actually feeling uncomfortable uh, at the moment. I don't like the being uncomfy. Happy early birthday, Cappy. It's capped in, but whatever. How old am I? 35. Soon. I'm gonna be 35 years old soon. I have blood pressure medication. Did you know that someone called this um called this HIV medication and herpes medication and shit like that? And I deleted their comments because of that shit. This is blood pressure medication. Somebody mentioned that, and I didn't like that comment. I can't believe I lost 6 subscribers. Yesterday I had like 1,600, no, 1,264 subscribers. I guess I'll never get that back. Obviously, no, because I'm hated now. Because everybody likes to see a, a fucking Lambo. So, what did you say in those clips, Cat Mal? What's the issue? Oh, I was talking about like how I go to the bathroom, that kind of thing. Yeah, I ignore the sound of the ringing because the phone's ringing. Um, uh, hold on. It's okay. Dad's got it. And basically, someone that Turner talked about my IQ being 70 when I'm technically the smartest person on earth. Wow, you were the smartest person. Yeah, just don't ask me difficult questions. When I say smart, I mean in the areas where Haktua, um do you know the way, and other stupid memes don't exist. Hmm. Street smart, and sometimes book smart if you want to, if you're interested. Oh yeah, yeah. I'm gonna go ask a homeless person when the homeless person doesn't care about lighters. The homeless person only cares about water. Can you get a shout out? Oh, okay. Mm, Mike Hunts. Mike Hunts, if you're seeing this, happy birthday to you from the greatest cat of all time, the savior of VR chat. I salute to you, Cole. Yeah, she stole money from the government during a hurricane and went to prison. Good. I hope she drops the soap and gets torn in half. Her, her puss will be ripped into shreds. That'll be a good graphic to see. I am a nice guy. I'm always a nice guy. On top, fuck no, because my mind will be seeing red, and and my mind will be saying over and over again, shove uh, shove that mic down her throat, shove that mic down her throat, shut her up, shut her up. I am a nice guy. I'm always a nice guy. Did I read any books? Not anymore. I used to read them. I used to read them. 13 people. God, it would be like a goddamn miracle if I had like, if I had like, I don't know, 30 people on here, despite the fact that I got like 1K people that subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is doubtful that I'm going to get back 6 subscribers. Actually, English first language, Polish second, Japanese third, um, German fourth, Russian fifth. Can you speak Japanese, please? No, konnichiwa, Polar san. Watashi wa Captain Alexu. And don't ask me to read Japanese because I don't read that kind of, you know, marking shit. And yeah, my IQ is above 70, so don't don't even think about it. What is your IQ, Cam? I'm testing. Oh, mine is above that. Mine's like mine's like what 150, 160 ish. Damn. Look, what do you guys think? What my IQ is? Depending on all the videos that I posted. What do you guys think? Do you think it's 160? Oh, 180, 220. Good lord. I'm thinking 200. I'm too low IQ to know the average. Well, depending on my on my videos, I think I got like 220, ish because I'm because you agree with half the shit that I say on there. It only goes up to 200. Well, if it goes up to 200, maybe I am maybe I am a 200 kind of guy. Yeah, tidy whitey right here. Now we're talking back about differences between anime and cartoon. Good lord. Yeah. I wonder how my subscriber count is going. The same. 1,259. I lost 6 subs. 17 in chat now. Well, 17, 16. I should have well, I should have like 30 people because I have like what? Um 1k recruits and cadets because I got a lot of shit to talk about of my past so that I could, get the respect that I deserve cuz let me tell you, when I was a kid, I was a shy kid. I was the loneliest, the shyest kid, dazing off into the sunrise and the sunset, getting bitten by mosquitoes, that kind of thing. I was always the loner. You're only gonna keep growing from that cap. Good. Yeah, 1.5k, which is doubtful. I start writing the word doubtful because ever since March, nobody likes like you guys like me, but I don't know if the rest would like me even more. Every time when I hear that word Taliban, it's yeah. Hold on, guys. Guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna eat I'll and then we'll continue the talk. Talk amongst yourselves, okay? Or dumping. Oh my. What? Oh, protein? What are you talking about? Nah, he's gonna eat. He'll come back for a little bit. End the stream for the bathroom break, then come back before 10 p.m. bedtime. Damn right. Oh, and we're an hour in. I didn't notice. Yeah. You need a lighter. More like you need a blade to the throat. I am a nice guy. I'm always a nice guy. What did you eat? Polish sausage and mashed potatoes. And don't even think about genitalia, okay? Jesus, Joseph, Doggy Style, Queen Mary. And I was having a little talk to Dad about how why people they first they like me and now they hate me. That's why I put the word doubtful. Well, what did your dad say on the matter? Oh, about why people um well people are born nice, but over time people are created. Well, people are learning to be bad and all that stuff. The the stuff that you guys talk about, it's just while I was gone. It was weird. Like, why do you guys do that? I have no idea. And when I'm usually live, like when I'm usually live, my subscribers count skyrockets. But that it doesn't seem like that. Who's the jackass that? I'm not talking about the lighter one. I'm talking about the Haktua one. Who's the jackass that interviewed her? Because I'm gonna like, if it were up to me, I'm at a perfect level to low blow him. There was a clip of this black guy, yeah, black guy. He was interviewing a, a girl, and he asked the question, what's your craziest experience in college or something like that?" And instead of making yeah, I don't know, I don't know what the fuck it was. Instead of responding like a normal human being, she makes like a Chewbacca no, and like a she makes like a weird noise, like a ha noise, and I'm like, well, there's your new meme now. We would have flying cars if people like her didn't exist. Exactly. Any car can fly with enough force. Don't know. All I know is my city is not going to get that. But the one thing that my city that should be getting is that Optimus robot. That to me looks like the fucking future. I'm like, good. Just have to keep an eye out for college jackasses that make weird noises for response. They got Walmart robots. Good. And guess what? I got myself again, boys and fellas. Another round of this thing. At least the hawk to a girl is pretty right. Okay, yeah, okay. I'll give her points for her looks, but the attitude, that's a minus on that. Do a drinking stream, Captain. I would, but then after the stream, I'll be pissing all night. Thoughts on Ass Mongold getting canceled? Whatever he did, he probably deserved it. Do you like goth people? Not so much. 16 people are on here. I'm hoping to God that by the time my birthday bash comes, it's gonna be like 30 people or some shit. I don't know. As soon as I take one supplement of vitamin C, I feel drowsiness and I'm passed out. If you guys see me, going like this, it's because I'm thinking about how humans used to love me, and now they and I just licked my face. Fuck! I'll be fucking happy, asshole. Clipping that shit. Fuck off, fucking trolls. Let me live my life. Will you dress in navy? No, I'm not gonna waste my time on that. You know what's gonna happen? Protein. I put on that shit. Oh, stolen bell, stolen bell. Dur, 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 dur. Why do you hate trolls so much, Cap? I hate them because their brains are just slow. They're slow and stupid. They don't know why. They just don't know anything about human life. Why not just block them? I do block them. Slow and stupid. Exactly. Do you like water sports, Captain? Fuck that. I'm not gonna waste my time with water sports. You can kiss my crippled ass on that shit. Would you call them slow in the mines? Of course I'd call those bastards slow in the mines. I'm gonna, look at me. I'm gonna make fun of Captain Mounds, but by stealing his stuff. I'm so fucking funny. No, you're not. your mommy and your daddy didn't love you not long enough, or pat you in the head long enough. How can you tell uh, mm, a troll from a um their channels? If their channel has a different name, and they tell me they've been watching me for about a year, then I trust them. But if they, continues calling me the N word, Fatty McFatterson, or something like that, then oh my God, Moonzer, that lovable son of a bitch is here. Hey, Moonzer. And if they clip, they took, my my face, and then they edit shit on it, then they're out. I never heard anybody ever called you those things. Oh, trust me, they did multiple times. The N word. Oh yeah. The one thing that I never gotten in any of my streams is like 100 likes. Nap time. I wish that would be the case. As a soon to be 35 years old, I wish that was the case. And everybody's calling me, oh my God, everybody's calling me a fucking pedo. Get the fuck out of here. Why would they call you a pedo? Oh, oh yeah, that's why. And because I have a friend who's 14 years old. How ironic is that? I've been called a pedo too. Good. Oh, good, not good. That's okay. Wait, what? Yeah, pedo. I don't know what I'm saying anymore, guys. Meeks, Mekkes. He's 14 years old. That's off. And bring in the pedal accusers. When people are like, "Oh, so you're this," we'll make fun of you. Well, I'm telling you, a 35-year-old don't don't know, don't fucking care. Like I said it, don't know, don't care. That's some good ass Pepsi. I was a friend with a 12-year-old. I'm 24. Oh, that's all right. Humans in the 21st century. Instead of giving me flying cars, you give me crap. No one is making fun of you, Alex. Nothing is creepy. Not even the oxygen you breathe is creepy. How was my lunch? It was good. But seeing my dad with a missing ring finger, that's disgusting. The bandages are off. How fair is the mission? Searching for idiots clipping me without permission. He's gonna be 15 years old, so shut it. Well, at least if I fart it out, then or burp it out, I'll feel better. This will be a clip for the nasty trolls for sure. Yeah, no shit. It's like no shit, Sherlock. And then after that, I have to watch some YouTube because that's what I do. It's not like I'm doing something sexual. Is the 14-year-old a recruit or a cadet? He's a cadet now. It doesn't matter if people want to cancel me. I'll rise from the ashes, just like I rose from the ashes when I was uh, uh Altair the Cold. No, when I was Golden Gun 5980. I rose again from the ashes when I was Altair the Cold Killer. I rose again from the ashes when I became Altair the Cold Killer 1. And I rose again from the ashes as your beloved, truthful captain. It doesn't matter. I'll rise from the ashes. Do you know the Black Dragon Lord? Not that I know of, no. Meeks. Mekkes. He does ships of and movies. Can you not talk about that, please? My birthday is in a week. I need to be excited for it. And here we are talking about kids. But Meeks he's busy right now with school. I respect school people that went to school or that go to school. Do you like the USS Liberty? Of course I do. I don't even know. Well, I don't even know what it is technically. So, have you ever been to jail? No, but I know what jail is like. Is he a cabin boy? I don't even know what the fuck he is right now. Right now, he's just having fun with it with his ships. Are waifus allowed in the military? When you talk about waifus, woo, when you talk about waifus, my son, or my brother, little boy, excuse me, they're allowed. Have you ever had a girlfriend once, but she dumped me, and that's it. Have you br- heard Brain Pepper's Captain? Nope. Can you speak more Japanese? Uh, yeah, of course. Let's see what I have here. Um, uh, uh, let's see if I can remember some words. Uh, uh, Genki desu ka? Um, well, I know Genki desu ka. Let's see. Uh, Aishiteru, Sakura-chan, and that's it. Yeah. What are the pics on the wall behind you? Sailor Moon, Sailor Neptune, and Uranus. Sailor Mars, the Sailor Scouts. Where are you? In my room. In my fucking room. You seem nervous, Cap. Is everything okay? Did I spook you? No, I'm tired. Every time I open my big mouth. Opinion on hang maxers. Don't know what that is, kid. Brother. Yeah, don't ask stupid questions. Otherwise, you'll be mod removed. Come to think of it, my idea to actually go into. I'm thinking about actually, you know, getting VR chat, you know, for the first time. But this computer is so messed up. Is that I don't know what to do with it. I'm thinking about getting a new computer. Not a new computer. Getting this computer fixed, and getting into VR chat, and then just and for the first time explore the place and meet you guys. I think your laptop can handle it. Of course, I think it would. Here's my problem when I enter VR chat for the first time. If I enter VR chat for the first time, I really don't want to lose my train of thought, but I want to say something. I really want to say something, but it's doubtful that number one, I'm going to get 100 likes. Let's get to 100 likes, guys. Not sus at all. Sir, no, sir. It's a good thing because it's role play. If you don't know role play is, go to fucking drama class. I've been role playing since I was a kid. Sus my ass. Everything is sus. This is sus. That is sus. The air is sus. Get the fuck out of here with that. Yeah, I know what l0li is, and I know what role play is. I'm trying to get into that stupid group, that police department, but nobody likes it. Eh, My brain is at a shutdown. What is it? It's an anime thing. An anime thing. Yeah, yeah. Just look it up and you'll know. But then you'll look it up and then you'll be like, Alex, how dare you? Well, just throw me in jail and rip my pelvis in half for all I care. Yeah, Google it and then rip my pelvis in half. Or Google it, come back, and give me the respect I deserve. You have two options. Google it, come back, insult me. Google it, come back, and give me the respect I deserve. You got two options because I'm not in the mood for anyone's bullshit right about now. Have you ever punched a bee? I'm gonna answer one word. I'm gonna answer you one word, but then after that, I'll give you a full answer on my Ask the Captain series. No. Well, it's called role play, so I looked it up myself, and it's called role play. And you have at least 20 seconds to give me the respect I deserve, Foxy Lady. Of course, I know what it takes to be in the department because I want to follow in the footsteps of Alex Murphy, aka RoboCop. I want to go into that police department like a RoboCop for the first time. Going in there, not giving two shits, and then getting upgraded, coming back out. Yeah, Alex Murphy did gun down, but I'm talking about RoboCop. Like when Alex Murphy and my wife likes role playing as RoboCop. That's cool. Anybody else want to call me that? Because just call me an overweight fat pedo. Anybody else want to call me that? Hmm? Thought so. Oh, look, everybody! It's everybody's beloved, uh, 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 hater, Jason Turner. Do you think that's funny that you picked my shit without permission? Hmm? Jason Turner? Is that fun? How would you like it if I clipped your shit and called the cops on you? Huh? You little shithead? I'm 35 years old and you want to come to me and make fun of my physical being and you want to make fun of all of my stuff. You want to make fun of how I go to the bathroom and you want to make fun of my existence. You are reported for let's see. Uh harassment, harassing me, report, and you're hidden. So is your crap. Goodbye, good riddance, Jason fucking Turner. That's right. Jason Turner has no god. Guys, after what I just did, I deserve one of these. Uh, I deserve one of these as a role play um, pat on the shoulders. So could you please give me a pat on the shoulder for that using these markings? Because holy shit, I cannot believe I did that. Thank you for giving me the pat on the shoulder because holy fucking shit, I can't believe I actually did that. That was the oh my god, my pees my pants. Well, that shouldn't make you pee your pants.